Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to backup, restore and manage your data using Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on your Samsung account and make sure that you have logged into your Samsung account. Now once you log into your Samsung account, just go back, then go to accounts and backup. Now, under the Samsung Cloud section, just tap on Backup Data. And from here, you can manage the data which you want to back up to your Samsung Cloud. Now, you can back up your call logs, messages, contacts, calendar, clock, all your settings, your home screen settings, and the apps, just like that. Now, just select the data which you want to back up to your Samsung Cloud. Now, once you select the data which you want to back up, just tap on Backup Now. Now, as you can see, our data has been successfully backed up. Now just tap on Done. Now, to restore your data, just go back and tap on Restore Data. Now just tap on this phone and select the data which you want to restore. Now once you select the data which you want to restore, just tap on Restore. And this is how you can back up, restore and manage data using Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.